What's up, guys? Today I will be changing the housing on key fob for my 2009 Pontiac G8. As you see, I am using this as a spare right now, and buttons are all worn out, and I have taken this apart in the past just to see how it was assembled and lost the spring, obviously. But yeah, here's the new one. Got this off of eBay, like 12 bucks. There's a little panic button. Alright, to take this apart, if I can remember, since I'm not really going to be using the housing again, I guess this is my way of doing it. I've watched a couple videos on YouTube, but basically this portion of it is supposed to slide out. If I can recall, the easiest way to do this was I'd put a flathead screwdriver right there and just shimmy it, and it slides right out. And then here's the battery and the little, I don't know, circuit board. For this part, there's a little tab right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it broke on this one, but you're supposed to pull this back a little bit. And oh, before you do that, now this was pretty hard getting this little emblem out, this little logo, but yeah, I just shimmied at it until it popped right out. Then in there was a little Phillips screwdriver. Oh, flathead won't work with that. Where's my Phillips head? Take the Phillips out. Boom. And there's the key. All this stuff aside for now. Let's start with this. Alright. So, remove the Phillips. Come on. eBay's doing me dirty here. Tying up that screw. Let's see. There we go. Got like muscle men in China out there screwing these things down. Okay, now be careful when you go to open this up. Oh, there's that tab I was talking about. I don't know if you can see it. So be careful with that. I'm probably going to break it. Oh, never mind. Be careful when you open it up. Open it up nice and slow because there is a little spring in there. And let's see which way it was twisting. So you want to go that way, okay. Just for future reference. Alright. So you see the spring has a little metal tab on it. Lands in there. I don't know if you can see that. Just like that. I'll set that aside. Don't need this. This is a little button. Okay. I'll use the new button. Looks better. I'm gonna boom. I think that's how it goes. Yep. Or no. I'm wrong. So you want this to end up like that, right? That means the button goes out this way. If it'll fit. Why isn't it fitting? Or no, I guess I was wrong. So I guess there is only one way to put the button. Boom. Button should fall through the... Why isn't it going through the hole? Anyways, let's continue. Maybe it'll just all fall into place. So, let's try to put these two things together. So now you want to rotate this a couple times so you can put tension on that spring. Not sure exactly how many, but we're going to try maybe just 2 revolutions and see what that does for us. Okay. I'm going to try to click it back together now. Make sure that tab isn't in the way. Come on. There you go. Let's see how that tension feels. Seems a little loose. Maybe one more revolution. Let's see. That might be overkill, to be honest. I think 2 is all you need. But I just want to see how 3 feels. Actually, I like 3 a lot better. Now the button doesn't stick out as much, and maybe it's because I used the new eBay one. I don't know if I like that. Let's see if I go back to the original one. I'm gonna make this video longer for a stupid reason. Is there any difference? Nope, they're about the same height. That's odd.